Welcome back to HB Car Review. Today we're diving into the incredible 2026 American Motorhome, a masterpiece that redefines luxury travel and comfort on wheels. The new model brings together premium design, top-tier performance, and smart innovation, making it one of the most desirable motorhomes in its class. From the outside, the 2026 American Motorhome looks absolutely stunning. Its sleek, aerodynamic body, bold chrome grille, and adaptive LED headlights make a strong road presence. The new design focuses on both style and functionality, improving airflow and stability. Large panoramic windows add a modern touch while flooding the interior with natural light, giving travelers a true home-like experience on the move. Inside, the motorhome is pure luxury. You'll find a full-size living lounge with recliner seating, a smart kitchen equipped with modern appliances, a luxury bathroom, and a cozy master bedroom featuring climate control and ambient LED lighting. Every corner of the interior showcases attention to detail, from the high-quality leather finishes to the touchscreen control panels that manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment. Under the hood, it's powered by a high-torque diesel engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This setup ensures excellent performance whether you're cruising highways or climbing mountain roads. The suspension system has been upgraded for a softer, more stable ride, and the advanced braking technology guarantees safety and control in all conditions. In terms of pricing, the 2026 American Motorhome starts around $350,000 for the base trim and can reach up to $500,000 for the fully loaded luxury version. It's not just a vehicle, it's a luxury residence on wheels built for those who value freedom, comfort, and first-class performance wherever they go. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more reviews from HB Car Review.